In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload auto loop videos on Behance projects. If you want your video to play automatically and repeat smoothly inside a Behance project, this is a simple workflow you can use. The basic idea is to upload your video to Vimeo first, adjust the embed settings there, and then place that embed into your Behance project editor. To begin, go to Vimeo and sign into your account. If you don't already have one, create an account first. This is necessary because Behance itself won't directly give you the same level of autoplay and looping control in the same way an embedded Vimeo video will. Once you're logged in, look to the top right area of the screen and click Upload. This will open your computer's file browser. From there, locate the video you want to use as an auto-playing loop, select it, and then click Open or press Enter on your keyboard. After that, give Vimeo a moment to upload the file completely. Depending on the size of the video and your internet speed, this may take a little time. So make sure the upload finishes before moving on. When the upload is done, hover over the video and click the share icon. A pop-up window will appear. In this pop-up, first review the privacy and viewer permission settings. This step matters because it controls who can actually view the embedded video once it's placed inside your Behance project. After that, click the embed option. Inside the embed settings, turn on autoplay and loop. These are the key settings that make the video start automatically and replay continuously for viewers. Once those options are enabled, click Copy Embed Code. This copies the full embed snippet you'll need for Behance. Now switch over to your Behance project editor, open the project where you want the video to appear or the section you're currently editing. Inside the editor, click Embed. A pop-up will appear asking for the code. Paste the embed code you copied from Vimeo, then click Embed to insert it into the project. Wait for the video to load fully inside the editor. Once it finishes loading, you should see that the video plays automatically and stays on loop, just as intended. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a few more seconds, since embedded media can sometimes take a moment to render. And that's it. You've successfully added an auto-playing, looping video to your Behance project using Vimeo embed settings.